Okay guys, so we are now at Black Rock and we have a seat on the patio right now, so let's get on up in here and yeah, let's get some good food. So for starters, we have a Caesar salad, which was yummy scrumptious and we had a little mimosa. Let's go ahead and get into the salad. Let's give it a taste test. Yes, put that Caesar on there, Neek. You know what you're doing. Extra Caesar. I hate when it's dry. Extra Caesar and croutons will do you justice. Trust me. And for our entree, I have some jumbo shrimp that is cooking on the skillet on our Black Rock. And I also had some steak. I'm now putting garlic butter on it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's not Benihana garlic butter, but it's bomb though. You gotta put this on your steak when you at the Black Rock. But anyway, let's get back to cooking. Whipping the yam, whipping the flipping the yam, turning the brick to a lamb. Ooh, ooh, cook it, ooh, ooh, cook it, ooh, ooh, cook it, ooh, ooh, look at it, it's sizzling, look at it. Okay guys, let me put some lip gloss on. I'm over here looking crusty. We went to get food at Black Rock. That was yummy. But yeah, on my way to my sister's house, like I told you guys, I picked her up a bottle of champagne. Y'all can't see. Boop. So I'm light. So let's go see them. Game. Who told you could play this game? Hello. You playing purple game? No. Meet my niece Amari. She is 1 going on 15. She's wild child and she is not to be messed with. You trying to buy some V-Bucks. Girl, you trying to buy V-Bucks. Amir already buy $1 million a day. Can I go eat my taco now? Huh? Can I go eat my taco? Can I go eat my taco now? No. Why? Winter here. You want me to stay here? Okay. Uh-oh, yeah, you dropping stuff. Amir on his game. He's so hyped. He got the PS5. You beating me up. Don't beat me up. You really scratching me? No. Don't scratch your TT. No. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. What's my name? Stop. Scratching me. This is why I don't have kids. This is why. This is why she's scratching me. There you go. Our glasses say bachelorette bash, which was not a bachelorette party yet. And it say bougie. My sister got this cute, what is it?
Native on the box.
You want to explain to them what is in there? It looks so cute. I need ideas for my boxes. I don't know what I'm going to put in mine, but she got one at, where your friend's party is? Your friend's bachelorette party?
So I am the maid of honor. So this is our hanger for our dress.
It's so cute. Got the name on there.
We each got body cream and lip gloss.
That's so nice.
Little sandals.
Oh, I wonder where she ordered these from. They say Bridesmaid on it.
And then I have my own blue robe because
Ooh,
my dress is blue and it
she
says
got
maid
your-
of honor.
She gave y'all robes. That's so cute.
I got my own personal cup. That's for my drinking.
Drinking water.
Yep. And she gave us our favorite wine.
That is her favorite wine. Show them what your favorite wine is. She likes the barefoot. What is that?
It's barefoot.
Fruit Moscato.
Fruit Moscato peach.
Y'all should try that out. She really loves it. So.
And then she bought us our necklace and earrings.
Oh, that's cute. Your name is on it. That was so nice of her.
And
yours probably the best because you the maid of honor, though, right?
I think all of us was all like this. And then we each got a love knot bracelet with our initial on there.
Oh, that's so cute.
And we got little shot glasses that says the I Do Crew.
Dang, and it's still going.
And then she handmade our little sandals for the beach because she's having a beach wedding.
That's cute. Where is the wedding at on the beach? Is it Mexico?
We're going to Cocoa Beach.
Oh, this should be fun.
I'm so excited.
You got Mari here chilling on her phone. And we went to my sister's house and chilled with her for a minute. So yeah, now I'm on my way back home. And she gave me these cute Goddess Dope shirts. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to show you guys. That's what I will do. I'm gonna show y'all when we get back home. I gotta get some gas really quick. Gotta get some gas. But yeah, so let's go to the gas station. That's where we're going now. Ooh. Oh my gosh, all these people turning. I'm just so nervous. You know, people can't drive nowadays and they just want to hit you and just get some insurance money or something. Let me get my mask. I'm about to put on 3 of them. All right, I'm just gonna put on 2. Y'all, I don't know if it's just me or this guy looking at me weird, so watch my back. Y'all gotta watch my back. Watch my back, don't let nobody get me. You got my back? You got the strap? All right, we good then, let's pump the gas. What number I push? Got the gas! We got the gas, girl!
Grab a 1-5 pack to explore, a 2-5 pack to enjoy, or a 4-5 pack for convenience. Choose your views also in 1, 2, and 4-5 packs.
Hey guys, so we are back at home. I'm tired. We done went and got lunch. We went to my sister's house, went to my mama's house. Now we back here. And I just want to show you guys these cute little hoodies that my sister ordered from this website called Goddess Dope or something like that. It's really cute. I'll try to leave the link down below for you guys. I still have my hair in these cute little pigtails. It's giving me a headache though, but anyway. So I want to show you these other 2 that she got me. They're really cute. Let me see. This one just says Just God. That's really cute. And it's just all black. It's really warm because I'm getting hot already. And this one says God is dope as well. It's cute. It has like these little rhinestone looking things on it. Super cute. Love it. Thank you for that, Mika Boo. It's so funny, y'all. My sister, y'all seen her in the video or whatever when she was doing the bridesmaid unboxing or whatever. Oh, you guys should definitely stick around. I'm going to do my bridal, what is it called? Y'all, I don't know nothing about this wedding stuff. This is new for me. What is it? The bridal party people, the girls that stand behind you when you walk down the aisle. Make them boxes or whatever. And we can do that together. Y'all want to do that together? Let me know down below. You don't even got to let me know because I'm going to do it anyway for y'all. So y'all can have an idea for when y'all get married, or if you're about to get married, you can make your bridesmaid boxes. But yeah, so that was fun seeing her and seeing that, for an idea that I can create something, you know, for my girls. So we'll do that. Anyways, I'm tired, y'all. I'm about to go ahead, lay down, go to sleep. It's nighttime. Y'all probably can't tell it's nighttime because I got this ring light on. It's lights up in here. It's hot. But yeah, if you haven't checked out the DIY that I did right here, as you can see, the Easter balloon garland, you can barely see it, but it's a video that I did. Go ahead and go through my DIY or balloon playlist and you can check that out, and my vlogs, up to you. But definitely check out my other playlists if you feeling a girl. Why would I say if you feeling your girl? Like, that's so lame. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe for more vlogs and more DIYs, and let me know what you guys want to see next down below in the comments. And if you made it this far to the end of the video, then drop some purple hearts down below. That means you Team Neek, and you already know what time it is when you rolling with me. When you rolling with a real player from the Himalaya. Bye, y'all. Let me go to sleep. Good night. Love y'all.